Hello kiddies, let's have fun and learn together.
First, I'm gonna add red color in water. See what magic happens. Yeah, it's red color. R-E-D, red. Just like apple. Now, we will add blue color in the water. See what happens. Yeah. Yay! We can see the color changing. It's blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Now we know two colors, red and blue. The next color is black. We will add black color in the water to see the change. You can see the change. The water is black now. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black is also a powerful color. Now add white color in the water. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. See what happens. Yeah! You can see the change. Now it's yellow color. We will add yellow color in the water. My favorite color, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Tap, 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 tap. It's looking pretty good. Oh, we have only one color left, green. We will add green color in the water. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Share the magic again. We have learned so many colors, green, yellow,